Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a video that's got nothing at all to do with engineering, but a little bit to do with cooking. I hope everybody's had a splendid Christmas or holiday or whatever you want to call it. I'm sure your wives or your girlfriends or your parents work very hard making a splendid meal for Christmas Day, and no doubt you've got loads of leftovers. We've got some leftover turkey, so I'm going to make a simple turkey curry for my wife coming in from work. It's the least I could do. I'll show you the ingredients, how to prepare it, how to cook it. It's really simple. It's like a layman's Christmas curry. Right, these are the simple ingredients. You've got an onion, with some mushrooms, naturally you've got some cold turkey, some frozen peas, and whatever curry paste or curry mix you want to use. I use this stuff, I find it really good. First thing I'm going to do is prepare the onion. Simply cut it in half. Cut that bit off. Like I say, I'm no chef. Cut that bit off. Leave the bit on with the roots or that holds it together. Pull the skin off. Out of there. I like the onions to be quite chunky, so probably like 10mm sections across there. And don't cut all the way down to the root. Like that. Like that. That's all it needs. And cut that bit off, and they're nice sizable chunks. You can kind of guess 10mm. Right, so that's the onions ready to go. See, they're decent sized chunks. It'll all fall to bits once you start to cook it. Then the mushrooms, I don't bother washing them. Normally quarter them. I do like a bit of mushroom in my curry. A bit deformed, that one. Right, so that's that lot. All the veg ready. And obviously the frozen peas are ready prepared. Get back, you bastard. This is the turkey breasts, nothing but the best. Now I like this decent sized bits, probably 30mm I would think. You want goodly sized chunks. Once you've got one, you can kind of use that as like a gauge. And try and keep the turkey whole, I don't want it falling to bits. Right, so that's the turkey, all the veg, the peas. Next we'll come to the curry paste. This is just a medium curry paste, you don't want it too strong. That's the stuff there. That's probably enough there, but I might as well use what's left in the box, in the thing. Bit of boiling water on top of there. And that goes onto a gas ring. Gets warmed up with simmer and it will go nice and thick. And now's the time to head towards the cooker. Fortunately the wife's at work this morning, that's why I'm able to play in our kitchen. As long as I don't leave a mess, she's not too bothered. And it's the same when she's in the workshop, she always cleans up after her, normally. Put the curry sauce mixture on first. Just let that warm up nice and gently and it will go. If it's too thick, you just put a little bit more water in. If it's too thin, you put some more curry paste in. That should be just about right. Right, I've got a big gas at the back, so I like the big gas. I've got a non-stick wok, but an ordinary saucepan will do. It hasn't got to be a wok, anything will do really. Turn that down and gently warm this through. I think it's going to be nice and thick, which is just what we need. Right, into the wok. You can use butter, vegetable oil. I use olive oil because I like olive oil. Get that nice and warm, and we'll fry off the onions and mushrooms and peas, and the last thing to go in there is the turkey. This is starting to thicken up quite nicely, so you're all in a hurry for it. That's definitely going to need more water in. I shouldn't have put the last little bit of curry paste in. Right, in with the onions. Them sort of browned off and softened a bit. And now as you can hear, as I extract that fat running, she doesn't like a kitchen stinking of curry. Right, they're starting to brown off now. In with the mushrooms. Some black pepper. You could put salt in, but honestly the curry paste got plenty of salt in it. Good sprinkling of black pepper. The curry sauce is thickened up just nice. Let that simmer away quite merrily. Things are starting to happen here now, it's starting to come together. Now's the time to put the peas in. See, we'll cool it down a little bit. The peas give it a little bit of colour as well. Right, in with the turkey pieces. Possibly add a bit more turkey in there. It's a little bit shy on the meat. I might cut a little bit more, put a little bit more in. Right, then the curry sauce gets added. Turn the heat down a little bit. Smells absolutely wonderful. This can be had by itself or with rice or anything really. Curry and chips. I'm going to do some rice with mine, and I'm going to cheat and I'm just going to use microwavable rice because there's nothing the matter with it. That's all I use. 1 minute in the microwave and it's done. Right, the rice is ready. It's had its 1 minute. The curry is definitely ready. Once again, it's your time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Perfect, perfect dimensions. Look at that, lovely bits of turkey. That's really good. Really, absolutely spot on.